Let's hack. Sorry. What's up, hackers? It's Ruby. I don't know if it's just me, but I can't believe that 2019 is almost over. I feel like the year just started. I think we can all agree that the best thing to come out of 2019 was Baby Yoda. I love Baby Yoda. He's so cute. I thought it would only be right to send off 2019 in the most 2019 way possible with a Baby Yoda New Year's Eve party. I wish it could be Baby Yoda season forever and ever. I've got 3 hacks that will help you end 2019 off with a Baby Yoda bang. Hopefully the guest of honor will show up. I shouldn't get my hopes up. It's time to hack your world. For our first hack, we have Baby Yoda party glasses. New Year's is like a time to meet new people, meet new friends, especially on New Year's Eve. So if I show up to a party, I will have so many new 2020 friends. Because I feel like everybody loves Baby Yoda. How could you not? You know those party glasses where like the zeros are eyes? They're back. Because this time, we actually have 2 zeros where it makes sense that the eyes are zeros. Like watching the ball drop at your house, they're perfect. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need green cardstock, green paint, printed number decals, a pencil, a glue stick, craft glue, gemstones, circular glasses, hot glue, green glitter, and craft essentials from your GoldieBlox toolkit. First, glue your printed decals onto green cardstock, then coat them with glue and glitter. Next, trace the sunglasses onto a green cardstock and cut out 2 Yoda ears and a Yoda forehead. Use the hot glue to attach the green Yoda parts to the sunglasses. Once your Yoda face is together, paint on green accents and wrinkles for that authentic Yoda look. Then, cut out your glitter decals and attach it to the sunglasses. I also decided to put gemstones on the lenses, so you can really tell it says 2020. I like physical calendars better because I have one at my house and my mom controls it, which is great because my mom actually knows what's going on. So I tend to look there anyway, and it's good because it's right in front of my face what I'm doing, you know? So I like that a lot better. So that's why I decided to make a 2020 Baby Yoda calendar. Now, just looking at this, it's oh, a binder. But then as soon as you open it, it's Baby Yoda. Every year they have those stereotypical calendars. They have dog calendars, which is boring. They have cat calendars, which is we get it. We had that already. The new thing for the 2020 decade is gonna be Baby Yoda calendars. I love this because every month you get to see a new picture of Baby Yoda. Look at that. February's cute, you know. Oh, March is cute. June's the most known picture of Baby Yoda. When you think Baby Yoda, you think this picture. December is the best because it's my birthday in December, if you didn't know. And when I had calendars, the first thing I would do, I would look at my birth month to see if it was the best picture, and it never is. But this time it is. He's just sitting there, he looks so happy. Anyway, I obviously am in love with this Baby Yoda calendar, and I want you guys to have your very own. So, let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need 12 pictures of Baby Yoda, a binder, green paper, shimmery craft paper, gemstones, a hole puncher, calendar templates, letter stickers, markers, thumbtacks, glue sticks, and craft essentials from your GoldieBlox toolkit. First, punch 3 holes in 13 sheets of green paper. Then, glue the calendar template to the bottom sheet and a Baby Yoda picture to the top. Next, write in the dates on the calendar template, use the letter stickers to spell the months, and decorate the calendar however you want. I put some metallic paper on the bottom of the binder for that extra Star Wars flair. Repeat 12 times. One thing I like about New Year's is the ball drop. The thing is, I would never actually want to go to the ball drop. It's really crowded, and it's always raining, and it's really cold, and it's just like not worth it for me. Honestly, you shouldn't do it either, because why go all the way to New York City for a cold and probably disappointing ball drop when you can make your own? Baby Yoda ball drop. That's right. It's really weird, yeah, but I kind of love it a lot. I mean, there's nothing I would change about it. I think they should replace huge ball drop with this. Like, I wouldn't see a problem with that. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a picture hanging set, a letter opener, fishing wire, green glitter, command strips, glue, tape, gemstones, metallic spray paint, hot glue, a dowel rod, a styrofoam ball, a styrofoam base, green felt, skewers, printed decals, paint, and craft essentials from your GoldieBlox toolkit. First, take your dowel rod outside and spray paint it. Next, measure the center of the foam base and make a hole there using the dowel rod. Hot glue the dowel rod to the foam base. Next, carve out a hole through the center of your foam ball. Make sure the dowel rod can fit through. This will be your Baby Yoda head. Next, paint the foam ball a nice shade of Baby Yoda green. Once you're done with that, tape the edges of the foam base and paint the rest of it black. Next, it's time to make the ears. Trace the Yoda ear shape onto 2 pieces of folded green felt. And glue them together with the skewers inside. Next, paint some green accents onto the felt ears so that they match the foam ball. After that, cut out your 2020 decals and cover them with glue and glitter. Next, take a little loop from the picture hanging kit and drill it into the top of your shiny dowel rod. And cut out your other decal and tape it to the front. Place 2 pieces of tape to the bottom of your base. This will help the command strips hold onto the styrofoam. Next, decorate your Yoda ears with the gemstones and stick them in the Yoda head. Then, cover Yoda's face with gemstones. When your glitter decals are dry, glue them to the base. Last but not least, tie the fishing wire to the top of your Baby Yoda's head. Slip the head into your pole and thread the wire through the loop at the top. Three, 2, 1, Baby Yoda! And there you have it, 3 awesome hacks that will help you celebrate 2020. But most importantly, celebrate Baby Yoda. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our posts. And comment down below how you're spending your New Year's Eve. If you want to get your very own GoldieBlox toolkit or any of our other maker kits, go to Amazon or GoldieBlox.com. Thanks for watching. Ruby Rails, signing off. Bye! You can still see me, I didn't even move.